In this video, I'll show you how to add tags to a PDF in Docusign using the easiest and most practical method. After logging in, upload your PDF or select a template, then move to the editing screen where you can access fields and tags. From the side panel, drag and drop tags like signature, text, date, or checkbox directly onto the document. Each tag can be assigned to a specific recipient, which is essential for proper workflow. While Docusign makes this process very user-friendly, it's important to place tags carefully to avoid overlap or confusion during signing. You can resize and adjust positioning to match your layout and improve clarity. It's also a good idea to preview the document before sending to catch any small errors early. You can duplicate tags for repeated sections to save time and maintain consistency across pages. Overall, adding tags is quick and efficient when done correctly. Subscribe for more honest, practical tech tutorials that help you simplify your workflow.